Good morning, dear learners. I welcome you all to yet another math online session. In today's module, we shall discuss the decimal word problems. The NCERT textbook page number 182. So let's get started. So here is a problem. Raju bought a book for 35 rupees 65 paise. He gave 50 rupees to the shopkeeper. How much money did he get back from the shopkeeper? So from this problem, we have to find the balance amount received by Raju. For that, what we need to do here? Here, first of all, we have to write the amount given to the shopkeeper, and the cost of the notebook we have to subtract from the total amount given to the shopkeeper. The difference we get will be the amount given back to Raju by the shopkeeper. So let's do it. So first, money given to the shopkeeper. How much is the amount given to the shopkeeper? That is 50 rupees given to the shopkeeper. So let's write there. So 50 rupees. Then the cost of notebook. What is the cost of notebook? The cost of notebook is 35 rupees 65 paise. So we write it there, 35 rupees 65 paise. And here the cost of notebook is given in decimal form. So let's write the total amount, that is 50 rupees. It's a whole number, but we can write 50 as decimal. So how do we write that? 0.00. Now we need to get the amount given back to Raju. That is, we have to subtract the cost of book from the amount, total amount, that is 50 rupees. So let us subtract it. Here we have to borrow. So 5 become 4. Then next place 10. From this 10 1 borrow. Here 9. Next place is 10. Then again from this 10 1 borrow 9, and the last place is 10. So 5 to 10 5. Then 6 to 9 3. Decimal point. Then 5 to 9 4, and 3 to 4 1. So the balance received by Raju is 14 rupees 35 paise. The balance received by Raju is 14 rupees 35 paise. Let's move to the next question. Here the question is, Rani had 18 rupees 50 paise. She bought an ice cream for 11 rupees 75 paise. How much money does she have now? So how much amount she had first? 18 rupees 50 paise. What is the cost of ice cream? That is 11 rupees 75 paise. Then how do we find the received balance amount Rani has now with her? That is, we have to subtract the cost of ice cream from the total money she had. So this amount she has given to the shopkeeper. So let us write the money she had first. How much she had in the beginning? She had 18 rupees 50 paise. So let us write this, 18 rupees 50 paise. Then next, the cost of ice cream. The cost of ice cream is 11 rupees 75 paise. So let us write it towards that, 11 rupees 75 paise. Now we have to calculate the balance amount she has now. What we need to do is we have to subtract the cost of ice cream from the total money she had. So let us subtract it. We borrow 1 from 5. 5 is 4 now. Next place is 10. Then 5 to 10. 5, 7 to 4 we have to borrow. So 8 become 7. This 4 become 14. 7 to 14 is 7. Next decimal point. 1 to 7, 6. Next 1 to 1 is 0. So the balance amount she gets back is 6 rupees 75 paise. So let's move to the next question. The next question is, Tina had 20 meter 5 centimeter long cloth. She cuts 4 meter 50 centimeter length of cloth from this for making a curtain. How much cloth she left with her? So assume that total she had, let us assume this condition. Let this line represent the total amount of cloth with her. That is 20 meter. That is 20 meter 5 centimeter. From this, she cut 4 centimeter. Let this much. Let this amount be 4 centimeter. 4 meter 50 centimeter cloth. 4 meter 50 centimeter. Then we need to find the balance amount. So what is the balance amount? Balance will be this length, the second part. This length will be the balance. So how do we obtain the balance? From the total, we have to subtract. The total is 20 meter, 5 centimeter. From this total, we have to subtract 4 meter, 5 centimeter. That is cloth she used in order to get the cloth left with her. So let's do it. So first of all, we have tried the total cloth. How much was the total cloth with her? The total cloth, the total cloth with her is 20 meter 5 centimeter. So we write it as 20 meter 5 centimeter. We write as 0.5. That is 20.05 meter. Then cloth used. How much cloth she used? 4 meter 50 centimeter. So that is 4.50 meter. Now we have to calculate the cloth left. So we have to subtract cloth used from the total amount of cloth, length of cloth. So let us subtract it. Meter, then 0, we write 5 down. Next we borrow 1. This place is 10 now. From this 10, 1 borrow 9. Next it is 10. 5 to 10 is 5. Decimal point 4 to 9, 5. Then 1 we write down. So 15.55 meter is the cloth, length of cloth left with her. I hope it helpful. Thank you all of you. Have a great day ahead.